We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the ultimate overview of the Frost Buddy Thicc Buddy, a 40-ounce stainless steel vacuum-insulated tumbler designed for both hot and cold beverages. If you own this product, we'd love for you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Let's delve into what users like and dislike about this versatile travel mug. The Frost Buddy Thicc Buddy has earned widespread praise for its exceptional insulation capabilities. Thanks to its double-wall insulation technology, this tumbler keeps drinks hot or cold for hours on end. Users report that hot beverages remain steaming for up to 3 hours and warm for as long as 9 hours. Meanwhile, iced drinks can retain their ice for an impressive 24 hours. This level of performance makes it a standout choice for anyone who values temperature consistency in their beverages, whether it's coffee, tea, water, or iced drinks. One of the most appreciated features of the Thicc Buddy is its durable construction. Made from premium 18/8 stainless steel, this tumbler is built to last. Customers frequently mention how sturdy it feels in hand and how well it holds up over time, even after accidental drops. The material is also resistant to corrosion and doesn't retain odors or flavors, which is a significant advantage for those who switch between different types of drinks. Many users have noted that even after years of use, their Thicc Buddy looks and functions as good as new. The design of the Frost Buddy Thicc Buddy also receives high marks for its practicality and aesthetics. The sleek and compact shape fits comfortably in most car cup holders, making it an excellent companion for commutes and road trips. Additionally, its lightweight design ensures that it's not overly cumbersome to carry around, even when filled to its 40-ounce capacity. Users love how easy it is to take this tumbler everywhere without feeling weighed down. Another notable feature is the flip lid with a tight seal that prevents spills and leaks. This makes the Thicc Buddy ideal for on-the-go use, whether you're heading to work, hitting the gym, or embarking on outdoor adventures. The lid also includes a straw, adding convenience for those who prefer sipping their drinks without tilting the tumbler. However, some users have mentioned that the low-profile design of the lid can make it slightly challenging to unscrew at times. The handle of the Thicc Buddy has sparked mixed opinions among users. On one hand, many appreciate its integrated chapstick holder, which adds an extra layer of functionality by allowing them to keep small essentials like lip balm or earbuds within easy reach. On the other hand, some users feel that the chapstick holder could benefit from a more secure mechanism to prevent items from falling out when tipping the cup. Additionally, there have been occasional reports of handles breaking off within a few weeks of use, though these instances appear to be relatively rare. In terms of aesthetics, the Frost Buddy Thicc Buddy offers a variety of colors and patterns to suit different tastes. Customers frequently compliment its stylish appearance and note that it resists scratching well over time. Whether you prefer bold designs or understated elegance, there's likely an option that matches your personal style. Ease of cleaning is another area where this tumbler excels. Its wide opening allows for thorough cleaning by hand, which is particularly important given that it's not dishwasher safe. Users appreciate how simple it is to maintain hygiene and keep their Thicc Buddy looking pristine. While most reviews are overwhelmingly positive, there are a few minor drawbacks worth mentioning. Some customers have reported receiving scratched tumblers upon delivery, though Frost Buddy's customer service team has been praised for promptly addressing these issues with refunds or replacements. Additionally, a small number of users feel that the price point is slightly higher compared to similar products on the market. However, many agree that the quality and performance justify the investment. Overall, the Frost Buddy Thicc Buddy stands out as a reliable and versatile tumbler that delivers on its promises of temperature retention, durability, and convenience. It's particularly well suited for individuals who lead active lifestyles and need a dependable travel mug that can keep up with their daily routines. Whether you're looking for a gift or upgrading your own drinkware collection, this tumbler is an excellent choice. If you've tried the Frost Buddy Thicc Buddy yourself, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experience in the comments section below to help others decide if this product is right for them. And don't forget, the link to purchase this product is in the description above. Using it supports our channel.